Hello, I'm Coach Amaziah, and today I'm going to be showing you what comes in our BGMU Esthetics kit. First, we're going to talk about what you receive from Circadia. You receive your student kit bag, your Circadia Tech Manual, 5 RX pads, 2 headbands, 10 portion cups, 4 brushes, 2 mini whisks, 2 measuring scoops, and 4 Circadia towels. You'll receive a circadian time balancing mask, a red tea mask, caviar lime and passion fruit enzyme mask, snow algae and spirulina cooling mask, green tea mask, marshmallow whip hydrating mask. You'll also receive 2 aquaporin hydrating creams. You'll receive a cleansing gel with salicylic acid, a cleansing gel with mandelic acid, a micro exfoliating honey cleanser, light day sunscreen, post pill balm, and 2 liquid replacing cleansing gels. Also 2 almond milk cleansers and a vitamin Vel facial cleansing oil. You also have white willow and Jupiter clearing facial mist, aloe and candula calming mist, blueberry and white tea hydrating mist, licorice and bearberry brightening facial mist. You will also receive a cocoa mask activator, a raspberry mask activator, and then the raspberry mask and then the cocoa mask. These are a set. You will also receive a spot stop, a moisture on demand, a serum 71, Hydrolox facial oil, 2 emergency eye lift serum, and then your vitamin C reversal facial serum. You will also receive 4x4 aesthetic wipes, wooden sticks for waxing, pre-cut facial gauze, a green mixing bowl, a silver bowl, a body brush, a small pump bottle, cotton rounds, a mannequin head, a high frequency machine, a mirror, face sponges, a blackhead extractor, a jade roller, a wax pot that comes with wax, and last but not least, you're receiving lash kit that has the glue, the bonder, tape, lash remover, your fan, tweezers of course, lashes, glue rings, under eye pads, spoolies, and lip applicator. And that's all that comes in the BGMU Aesthetic Kit. Thank you for watching.